Hi, Renee.
Hi.
What are we doing today?
We are making a Popsicle Stick Love Bug.
Oh my gosh, how fun.
Super fun.
Let's see what's in there.
All right. Handy dandy directions.
Cool.
All right, we've got the body, which is the popsicle stick, glue dots. This is the pipe cleaner, which is like the antenna. Little tiny cute googly eyes.
Aww.
Fuzzy little nose. And this is the wings that we're gonna glue on there.
Oh, it's so cute. All
right. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, let's make one.
Okay, well, we're gonna make one.
Yeah, how do we do it?
All right, let's read the directions.
Okay, that's a good one.
That's
Okay.
a really good idea.
Yeah, that's actually a good idea.
Attach the small hearts on top of the big hearts. All right. Okay, attach the small hearts on top of the big hearts. All right. And this is like...
The fun part is seeing if we could see those little glue dots. They're like invisible.
All right, probably like this.
Yep.
All right.
That looks good.
That looks good. All right.
And I think, this is your love bug. You can make it however you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
I want an A.
Yeah.
All right, like this. Okay.
All right.
All right. Then it says attach the ends of the big hearts together to make wings. So I'm gonna get a glue dot and kind of feel them on there. So I would say like that.
Just kind of like overlap them.
All right. They're kind of cool. Let's see. Well, you gotta pick them up. All right. All right. Like that. All right. Like that.
Oh, looks good.
All right. Then it says attach the wings to the back of the craft stick. All right. Got another glue dot on this. Right there. Like that. I'm gonna make them like about like that. All right. Oh, it's looking good. All right. Then the pipe cleaner in a V to make antennas. All right, mine's gonna be a little crazy. All right, like that. And attach it to the back of the craft stick. Right.
Let's hope we have enough glue dots.
I hope so. Let's see if we counted right. Is that the right? Okay, well, we'll go this way. All right. Like this.
Yeah.
All right. That. Okay. Now we're going to attach the wiggly eyes and nose. My nose, and then got two eyes. I did. This is so cute.
It's so cute.
And there is Larry, my love bug.
Oh, well, he's adorable. He's so cute. And then we're going to take a picture of him. We're going to share him on our Instagram.
Okay.
And tag us.
All right. Thank
Okay.
you.
Yeah, thank you.